All right, so one of the things that I'm always going to recommend is that whenever you're creating your own custom templates for CTA, is that you reuse as much of the same symbols as possible. In this case, we have items like for this jacket where you see the sleeve here pretty much looks the same in every angle that you're going to use it on. Here is a completely different one, but you can see it's the same one being used here. And the reason the reason I recommend this is because it keeps everything nice and easy to modify. Let's suppose that we want this jacket to be a completely different color. It's easy for us to just go in here and simply replace the color or make any modification to it one time, and wherever that symbol is used, wherever the instance of that symbol is located, those changes will take place. So it's going to save a lot of time, right, as far as editing stuff is concerned. Now, I do understand that sometimes you do want to make certain modifications to items where you don't want to modify everything. You know, this is in particular the case with characters that are not always symmetrical. For example, a pirate. Let's say this guy, for example, has a, let's take this angle, for example. He wears, let's say he wears a patch on his right arm, but not on his left arm, so making it symmetrical would kind of be like, oh, not exactly the best idea, you know, for that particular design. So I go ahead and draw that character's patch on that shoulder. It gets placed everywhere else, and that doesn't really help me. So what we do here in this case is that we take the symbol that we want to be unique, and we right click it, select duplicate symbol, and just give it whatever name you want. All the properties, the position, the angle, everything stayed the same. The only thing that changed is that it's a completely new symbol. So if I go in here now and I draw something on it, make some kind of modification to it, that's the only symbol that's going to have that change. So you can see that it wasn't modified anywhere else. So that's basically how you convert a symbol into a unique symbol. So it is possible to do that. You know, creating mirror angles is not that hard either. If you don't have Puppet Producer, you just take your angle, select the entire thing, copy it, and you're going to find a place to paste it. Let's get rid of here. Paste in place. Oops. We go to Modify, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and at this point you technically still have the same angle, and you're going to have conflicts with the naming and stuff. So you just literally have to go manually through all these symbols and make the change yourself. So I think this is the what angle is this? I don't know what the opposite of 90 is, but you just got to go in there and replace that number with the new number. Do that on every single item, every pivot point, every body part, and you'll soon have a mirrored item. So you can do this without Puppet Producer. It just takes a little bit longer. With Puppet Producer itself, I mean, obviously it's a one-click operation, so it's not that big of a deal if you don't have the plugin, because getting those tasks done is, most of these tasks that Puppet Producer does are things that you pretty much can do yourself. It just takes longer to do them. And I lost where my plugin went, so I'm not going to be able to show you the mirror thing, but you know how it works. Here it is. Let's see here. Mirror from, this is the 90, oh, it's a 270. So basically, Puppet Producer just went ahead and did everything for me. But it's something that you can do yourself. So you can see this pivot point has been changed to a 270. Then there's that face 270. There's the that neck 270. So everything in that angle, you just have to manually reconfigure to account for the new angle, and flip it over, and it should work just fine. And that's pretty much it. All right.